So I wanted to introduce a block called the pricing table. This allows you to create a custom pricing table by manually setting products and prices using Stripe payment links instead of the IndieGraph Pay checkout. This allows you to offer multiple monthly options, display options for large donors, or have other unique pricing structures. If you're using Pelcro, this feature allows you to offer an alternative to the default model. So the way it works is that you can create and manage one or multiple tabs. You can choose how you organize and name these tabs. So you can create a tab for monthly, a tab for yearly, and a tab for one time, or you could select a different pricing structure, for example, and have your level 1, level 2, and level 3 supporters separated in those tabs. You can also choose which one of these tabs you set as default. So for example, if I would like to change the default from monthly to yearly, I just click the link set default here. To add or edit my yearly options, for example, I can click manage over here and choose to add a few different prices within my tab. When you select the pricing table itself, you also have the option to customize the colors that are displayed within it. For each pricing table item, you can add an icon if you wish. You can customize the title, the amount, the period, and you can also add a discount label if it applies to you. If not, you can simply leave it as is and it won't be visible. You can also add a description, features to your pricing item, and finally customize the button text and the link that it takes you to. For each of the buttons, you can choose to add your Stripe payment link here, or if you're using Pelcro, you can turn on the Pelcro button at the right and fill out the product ID and the plan ID. So this is what the flexible pricing table block would look like if it was all filled out. You can also set one of these items, usually the one at the center, as the most popular one. And here is what this pricing table would look like on the front end. If you have used IndieGraph Pay before, you can see that this is very similar with the styling of the IndieGraph Pay pricing table, and it is consistent with our theme styling. So you can toggle between the pricing tabs you have created, and the subscribe buttons will take you either to your Stripe payment links or to Pelcro. Finally, here is a quick overview of what this pricing table looks like on mobile.